Yo, and today we have a special guest. What's your name, special guest?
Daddy.
No, his name is Kane Carnback. He is my dad, by the way. And right now he will be participating with us. Is that correct?
Sure.
So, he's going to be picking out the game we should play. So,
Really?
what do you want to search up?
A card game.
So, let's search up card games. I mean, he really does love cars. So, let's see the cars, because let him choose. Which one do you want? Oh, I love vehicle engines.
Try that one.
Let's try vehicle engines, because it's a very cool plane. I mean, game.
Cool.
That's too long. I just hit $290 billion. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Something big finished, and I got a lot of money.
Actually, I have an idea.
What?
What is this? The billionaire button? I get $71 billion?
Yeah, so...
Oh my God. I've done it. Do I have a billionaire button manager? Or am I the only one who can press the billionaire button? I think I might. Yeah, I have all the managers. Okay, the billionaire button. This OP, but I think it's safe to say that we've accomplished my dream of rags to riches. That is insane. I have $10 trillion. All you need is a big red button. Easy enough.
So, guys. Yeah, so, let's see the plans. I mean, not the plans, but, So, guys, I just want to say that because I think we should play. I thought that was what the game. What was the game I was playing? Oh, yeah, Thick Legends. I think you guys should check out this game because it's just like the best game in the world. Literally. So I'm gonna eat a chocolate noob. That's a literally chocolate. I gained 66 OGs. So like Yeah, so yeah. This was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died. He died. Descent neutral. Yep, someone. Yep, bye guys. See you tomorrow.